Hi garden friends! My name is Vanessa, and during this activity we'll be learning about bees. Take some time and think about why bees are important. Honeybees, wild and domestic, are responsible for 80% of pollination worldwide. We need bees in order to grow food and feed our population of 7.6 billion people. Not only do bees pollinate most plants, but they produce honey, pollen, beeswax, and honeycomb used in all sorts of consumer products. Today, we are making a beehive out of a can. With habitat destruction, climate change, air pollution, heavy pesticide use, droughts, wildfires, and much more, bees have suffered a serious decline in population. We rely heavily on the services of bees, which is why their health and the health of the environment are very important. A type of bee called the mason bee nests in pre-made holes. At the end of this craft, you will have a beehive that mason bees can nest in. Alright, let's get started, and now let's grow together.
Starting off with materials, you'll need one can, a hammer, some twine, scissors, 4 bottle caps. This part of the craft is optional. Some craft glue, some paint or whatever you have to decorate, 1 nail, a hot glue gun, also optional, and some paper. First, wash and delabel your can and then remove both ends. Take a nail and hammer 2 tiny holes on the top. Also a disclaimer, if you are under age of 12, please have a parent assist you with either hammering the nail or the hot glue. Take your twine and put it through the holes and secure it with a knot. Next, paint your can however you want. I decided for a bumblebee look, but you do not need to stick with the bee theme. Then, take one piece of paper and cut it in half. Then, cut that half in half, and you want a piece that is about the length of the can. Next, you're going to roll up that piece of paper into a thin tube, gluing one side to keep its shape. Repeat this process until you have enough tubes to fill your can. Once you have enough tubes, put some glue inside of the can and start stacking your tubes until you cannot fit any more inside the can. The last step is optional, but if you want to make some water dishes for the bees, hot glue 2 bottle caps on each side of your can. And here's the final product.
Our activity is complete. Now you know why we need to save the bees. Remember all of the ecosystem services bees provide us. And also, here are some solutions that scientists are recommending. Number 1, to ban the 7 most dangerous pesticides. Number 2, to protect pollinator health by preserving wild habitat. And number 3, restore ecological agriculture. Thank you for taking the time to learn and grow stronger together.